Hello students, I am Monica, your maths teacher, and welcome to my maths class. Let us continue chapter 1, knowing our numbers. Today we will solve some exercise questions of 1.2. So let's start. Question number 4. Kirti bookstore sold books worth 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? In these questions, the sale for the first week and the second week is given, and you have to find the total sale in both the weeks, and you have to tell which week has the greater sale and by how much. So let us start. Books sold in the first week is equal to 2,85,891. Books sold in second week is equal to 4,768. And the total books sold, by adding both these sales, we get 6,86,659. Now by comparing the sale in first week and the sale in second week, here 4,768 is greater than 2,85,891. So sale of second week is greater than that of first week. Now here we write books sold in second week, that is 4,768, and books sold in first week 2,85,891. By subtracting both these sales, more books sold in the second week, and we get 1,14,877. Therefore, 1,14,877 more books were sold in second week. Next question is 7. A merchant had 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at 1,200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? In this question, a merchant had money, that is 78,592, and she want to purchase 40 radio set, and the cost of one radio set is 1,200 each. So let us start. Cost of one radio is equal to 1,200 rupees. Then the cost of 40 radios. One cost is given and you have to find the cost of 40, means multiply. 1,200 multiplied by 40, that is equal to 48,000. Now the total money with merchant 78,592, and money spent with her 48,000. Now subtract these money left with her, that is 30,592. Therefore 30,592 will remain with her after the purchase. Next question is 9. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? In this question, the total length of cloth is 40 meter, and in one shirt cloth is used 2 meter 15 centimeter. Now you have to tell how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remains, means cloth left. Therefore we solve it. Cloth required to stitch one shirt, means one shirt require cloth, that is equal to 2 meter 15 centimeter. Now here we convert meter into centimeter and we get 215 centimeter, and total length of cloth is 40 meter. Now convert 40 meter into centimeter. So we multiply 40 by 100 and we get 4000 centimeter. Now the number of shirts can be stitched. Divide 4000 divide by 215. By dividing 4000 by 215, the quotient is 18 and the remainder is 130. Therefore, 18 shirts can be stitched and 130 centimeter, that is equal to 1 meter 30 centimeter cloth will remain. Okay students, thank you.